Ayan na si bro. Ayan na sila. Ayan ang car namin. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to enter the bloody red car. Beautiful car of my bro. Bro, how are you bro? Miss you bro. Ay! So tara na sa Nara. I'm strong, I don't feel the cold. It's very warm actually. Is this Japan? Oh my god. I feel it's like Philippines. So we are looking for Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Let us select Rudolph. Hello reindeer. Hello reindeer. Are you Rudolph? 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 Oh my god. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. Okay, so bye-bye. You're not Rudolph. Are you Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer? Okay. Okay, so maybe smile.
Ayaw ka niya, di ka niya.
Bro.
Di ka niya bet.
Rudolph, come on. Are you Rudolph? Hi, hi. So alam nyo kung saan kinukuha yung yung ginagamit sa pearls na ginagamit ng tapioca. Ito. So very healthy, very organic, very cultural din, no? Wala kang best. You are bad boy, okay? Are you Rudolph? Ayan, sige. Huwag kang lalayo, bibigay mo muna. Ibigay mo lang.
Ayoko nang malaki, natatakot ako. Ayoko niyan.
Kunwari hindi ka natatakot, mag-smile ka lang dyan. Nako, nag-away na sila, ayan. Akala ko gusto mo na malaki. O ngayon lang no, nag-away sila. Sa request ng vlog si Renner Lynn Cardenas. Shoutout sa'yo, girlfriend ko. Ay! Pangit yung lighting dito dahil kita yung pores ko. Bubusit ako. You wanna take this, bro?
Yeah, you're fine.
Don't be shy. I'm not shy.
You can eat all.
The best ng soup. Soup pa lang, ulam na. Masyado maraming sodium yan. No. Aliit ng Nara. Anong magfo-focus mo? Not smoke. Anong magfo-focus mo? What will you focus? I did not see Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. One nice thing about Japan is they have clean CR. Very clean CR. Wave! Hello! Bro, hello, it's Wave! Yamete! Jeff. It's already snowing, man. So, natapos din. Finally, we're finished, but it's snowing right now. How would you rate the chow fan first?
Chahan and karage, I can say this is 4.
Chahan is 4. Karage to 3.
Okay.
For me, it's 5.
5-5.
Five.
Okay. Because of course it's your third time.
Yeah, third time.
Third
This
time.
is the 4th.
In my case, I would have the chow fan as chow fan. Basta yun na yun. Chahan would be 5. Karage would be 3 maybe. The reason behind that is I don't want it to be salty so much.
It's not so.
So in my case, they put a lot of salt. In
Yeah.
your case, without.
It's not very salty.
But I like the texture, but it's a 3. So in that case, welcome to the next round. Shout out to my brother. Siya ang nagsuggest ito na mag-vlog ako about food sa Japan. Miss you, bro. My true bro in the Philippines. And don't forget to subscribe to Jess's channel. Or to, how do you name your vlog? Jen and Bro. Yeah, Bro is Jen.
The upcoming
Legend.
YouTube channel.